Hi everyone! Today's video is about Admirria. The company teaches both beginners and advanced traders to improve their trading skills by means of trading courses. In today's video, we're going to find out what courses they have, what is the difference between them, and what course is the best for the beginners. Here we go. Let's begin with a few words about the website itself. So, we are now on the home page of the website. You can immediately notice the cool and friendly interface, which is nice to work with. In short, on the website homepage, we are told about the main objective of the company: to make learning forex trading not complicated, but on the contrary, interesting. Also, briefly, you can read about the courses themselves, and a little lower you can see reviews and experiences of other people who have already purchased this product. It is very important because from other people's experience you can make the right conclusion about the company. The reviews here are quite good. Let's move on. From short tabs, there is a tab about us, where the company briefly shares its history and mission as a whole. There is a tab News, where you can see the latest news from the world of trading. From the interesting tabs, I would also mention Instruments tab, which you can see on the screen right now. There is also a tab Affiliate Program, where you can become an Admirria affiliate and earn money with your referral link. Pretty cool, isn't it? But we are here mainly to learn more about the courses. Let's open this tab on the website. There are 4 courses in total. Each of them is specific and has both pluses and minuses. Free, Newcomer, Progressive, and Master. Now you can see on your screen what these courses differ from each other and what they teach. I think that after that, someone will be able to make some conclusions. I would also like to note that the company offers a free course too. That is a great opportunity for the very beginners or for people who want to make sure of the reliability of the company. Therefore, speaking of what is the best for beginners, I would advise to buy a newcomer course or to try a free course. And at this point, today's video comes to an end. If anyone has any questions, you can ask them in the Contact Us or a Frequently Asked Questions tabs. Thank you all for watching, and bye.